Hi guys, me Tyler. This is my toaster oven that I'm doing a review on, and as you see, I have a piece of toast in it. Hold on, piece of toast. Well, not really toast, it's bread, but a little bit of toast at the end. I just want to mess around, but I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna stop it because I'm using YouTube Capture. Then pretty much. So I'm gonna set it to medium, well, a little bit after medium here, and I'll see it, and before a few minutes before it's done, it'll be done. The video's back on. Watch it. Just stop. Or enjoy my Nutella. No, actually. Sorry guys, I'm trying to enjoy my Nutella. It's gonna be done. And we're getting after chili done. And now we'll get on to the tastes. Alright. Just toast now. Hello. Okay, this is good. Good. It goes like dynamite. This is okay, it's hard to talk with my mouth. 1 minute? Alright. Anywho, this is good. Good. That guy did a good job. How am I to do? Okay. I think did a good job. Oh yeah. Well, I guess it's just a good job. Oh, that's a good job. Oh, this is just a good job. What's hot? Yeah, but the toaster helping.